two MultiNav Pro Plus systems, each BLE module powered by its own power kit. One carries GNSS and sensors, one is standalone wireless. This is RFOXiA Connect. Scan for nearby BLE modules. Two modules discovered instantly. MAC addresses and live signal strength, both visible in real time. No pairing code, no configuration. They are just there. Connecting to the module ending in D8, the one carrying GNSS and sensors. Control screen, live sensor data streaming directly from the hardware, temperature, humidity, air pressure, air quality, all updating in real time. GNSS shows no fix. We are indoors. Outdoors it locks within seconds. Back to home. Disconnect. Now connect to the second module ending in F3. This one has no sensors attached. Control screen for F3, no sensor data, because there are no sensors connected to this module, exactly as expected. Back to home. Now watch this. Press scan for far BLE modules. This activates something different. The F3 module paired to your phone becomes a relay. Scanning for other BLE modules beyond your phone's range. D8 appears, the module that is out of your phone's range, but not out of the other module's range. Press connect. The two BLE modules pair with each other wirelessly. Control screen. All sensor data, back, temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, all streaming live. But this data is not coming from the module in your hand, it is coming from the far module relayed through the first one to your phone. Outdoor test, app open, connected to F3, our relay module. Scanning for far modules, D8 found, connecting through F3. Control screen, watch, GPS lock, live location, exact position, streaming now, temperature, humidity, pressure, all live outdoors, no internet.